Hello friends, in this video I'm going to unbox and review Oral-B Pro Expert toothpaste. So you can see that most of the important features are given here. So what are the important features come with the toothpaste, and it's the quantity is 75 ml, and this is how the packet looks like. So some of the information about the product is also there. So let me open it up and show you like how exactly it looks like. So I'll tag the product in the video so that you can check the price and everything. So this is a tube which is very flexible. I can see that, and the total quantity is also mentioned like 75 ml here. So the ingredients are clearly mentioned here. So all other information you can see here. This is how the tube looks like. So if I want to open it, so you have to just open it like that. So inside there is one more thing, so you can easily remove it and use the toothpaste as you required. So this is almost, I think in Germany, I think 4 point something euro it cost. In India and other countries I don't know, but I will share the link so that you can check the price and everything. So overall I think it's a good toothpaste. I'm not recommending it, I'm just saying that you can check the information about this particular stuff and take your decision. And thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.